Damn right. So, alright, here we are, day number 2 down here in Cape Carteret. It's about 6:37 in the morning right now. We got hit by a pretty big storm last night. It was pretty gnarly, actually. It probably rained about 2 inches. So you can see everything's pretty thoroughly wet. Sun just popping up. Getting ready to back up and hook up to this thing. Today we're going to fish down at Cedar Point, which is right down the street. We'll go out and fish some docks for some flounder. Hopefully we catch something a little more sizable than what we got yesterday. We're just going to try our best and go out and have some fun. And take you guys along for the ride. Hope you enjoy it. How you know? Because of the fight?
Because when I jigged it, I felt this boom, and I went like this. I was like, pulled up. As soon as I pulled up, you can see him start pulling back to go to the rocks. And I'm going like this, and he goes, and then he gets under the rock.
Yeah, they do like hiding for cover. I know that about groupers.
You probably had one earlier. If you feel a fish, you set the hook on the fish, and then you feel it for a second, then all of a sudden, boom, rocks.
Yeah, that's what I had.
Sit down. Sit down.
Well, today went awesome. We had an incredible time fishing. The tides are very strong here today, so you know, there's a lot of paddling involved to keep up. We pretty much hit all the docks along the intercoastal waterway, I guess it is, and everything went great. Caught a ton of fish, a bunch of black sea bass, a bunch of lizard fish again, puffer fish. I even caught about a 14-inch redfish. And a ton of flounder. I pulled in 6 flounder. My buddy, he pulled in 9 flounder. It was a good day. We had 3 keepers out of all of them. So it was an incredible day of fishing. We're honestly both exhausted at this point. On the way home to get a shower and to relax and spend some time with the family.